Hello everybody, welcome back to Speak Up and it's me, Nuha. So today we're gonna learn some interesting dog idioms. Actually guys, these dog idioms are really important for our daily life while speaking English. So let's start. Number 1, dogfish. Guys, dogfish মানে হলো ছোট হাঙর. Dogfish, ছোট হাঙর. As an example, I saw a dogfish at the aquarium. Number 2, dog age. Dog age মানে হলো ব্যাপক সময় বা খুব দীর্ঘ সময়কেও বোঝানো হয়. Dog age, ব্যাপক সময়. As an example, I haven't seen you for a dog age. Number 3, dog sleep. Dog sleep মানে হলো খুবই পাতলা ঘুম. Dog sleep, পাতলা ঘুম. As an example, I had a really dog sleep. Number 4, dog end. Dog end মানে হলো সিগারেটের শেষ প্রান্ত. As an example, he is at the dog end. Number 5, three dog night. Three dog night মানে হলো খুবই ঠান্ডা. Oh my god guys, it's so cold. Three dog night, খুবই ঠান্ডা. As an example, it's a really three dog night. Number 6, a dog with two tails. Guys, maybe you're thinking dogs don't have two tails, but it's idiom. It's like a dog with two tails. মানে হলো খুব সুখী. Like when you're wishing you somebody in his birthday. As an example, I wish you like a dog with two tails. And today's last one is raining cats and dogs. It's a bit silly, guys, but maybe you're thinking, raining cats and dogs? How? কিন্তু guys, raining cats and dogs মানে হলো মুষলধারে বা খুবই তীব্র বৃষ্টিকে cats and dogs বলে অথবা raining cats and dogs বলে. As an example, it's really raining cats and dogs. So I hope you liked this video. Stay with Speak Up for more updates and learn new things. So stay sweet. Bye-bye.